Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I have spent the last 30 minutes looking for this mold. And when I say looking for this mold, I have literally hundreds of these little amazing mold putty molds, and I kept out quite a handful that I have been looking for a while. This is Super Sculpey Original, just to show. Excuse the state of my mat. I have cleaned it twice this morning already. Alright. This is a moon face, obviously. But it's a moon face I took from a keychain that's somewhere in this room. I still have it. There's a moon face one and a sun. And I don't know where the sun is either. I don't even know if I molded the sun. Alright. Now, I've been working with paper clay on another project. So this clay seems especially hard, even though I know it's not. Will be your clay of choice, and other times it won't. Like right now. This really needs to be done in polymer clay. And I'm gonna make it do it. Okay. Now, there's a Prima mold. I'm not sure if it's a Prima to the shape. Oh yeah. He's got a little crack on his cheek right there. But really and truly, I don't care. It's not on the mold. Okay. Now, this is rolled out on my thickest setting on my pasta machine. Okay, and I'm just going to trace the shape like I was in kindergarten. Okay, now, hey, no, whenever you trace something with your X-Acto, remember that your X-Acto will tend to drag the polymer clay, and especially around the corners and stuff. It can distort the shape. Okay. Now, taking that piece off. This piece is done basically and ready to paint, but we're gonna put a hinge on it, a sort of a hinge. Nah, I'd say it's a hinge. But it's gonna be a polymer clay hinge. Okay, polymer clay and probably just a head pin. Okay, now I'm gonna roll this out. Okay. Okay. On there just to stick it together. There we go. Okay. Now, a little change up. The hinge that I made, pin will work. Okay, this is the rolled area around that eye pin. Okay. I cut it into thirds. scored it into thirds, whatever you want to say. I went ahead before I baked it and I completely cut it into thirds. Then what I did was I took them off of the eye pin and I flipped the middle one around so that it was like this. And these are the rolled areas and these are the flats, okay? Then I put the eye pin back in. Ignore that bit. Okay, this is the rolled area. These are the flats. This is the eye pin. Okay, now we're back up to snuff. Then I liquid sculpied that to the moon. Okay, here's what we got. Okay, just like a regular hinge. Okay, but with polymer clay that I have left. Okay, I'm going to push it up where all we have at this end is the loop. On this end, I'm going to spiral it. Okay, just like that. Just so that the eye pin won't come back out. Okay, now we can make our dangle. Okay, now we're going to put the dragonfly glaze. Like I said, this one is the green, gold, red shift. Isn't that kind of pointless? Okay. Here it is. I love it. Love it. It is so adorable. Alright. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I think this is number 10 of the Witchy Apothecary bottle series. Alright. So, only a couple more to go, and then we'll get to see it all together. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch, including this one. Share. It's all free. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.